guys, I recently made this video that garnered over 1 million views sharing easy ways to use Pine-Sol. Yes, I put it straight into my laundry machine. I have even more tricks that I want to share with you today. Incredible ways to use Pine-Sol that, yes, I will be shocked if you already knew. Wow. I love seeing how many of you put Pine-Sol straight in your laundry. Just a little splash. People from all walks of life, from officers to mechanics to fishermen. I love seeing those comments. And if you have an oil stain, just putting a tiny bit on top and giving it a gentle rub, this takes it out. It's still my go-to for stains I didn't think I could get out of garments. If you don't have your own washer and dryer at home, maybe you go to a laundromat, definitely bring some Pine-Sol with you, especially if your clothes leave kind of with that mildewy smell. Also, Pine-Sol does a great job with urine, especially on sheets. It really does help. We just got back from vacation. If you've got lots of oil on your clothes, maybe even sunscreen, it can discolor your bathing suits or they can get that mildewy smell. These are gonna look brand new. We just got back from Florida and here's how I get it out of my suit. I put a tiny little dab on a soft sponge. You don't need much at all, and I gently rub onto the oily spots. You want it on a delicate cycle and you want cold water. You can see the before and after, totally worth it. And here is why you want to put a tiny splash of Pine-Sol into a Dollar Tree spray bottle and fill up the rest with water. This is such a great trick. Did you know Pine-Sol is a great fabric cleaner? I use it all the time on my carpets. You can also use it on your upholstery. Just make sure to test in an inconspicuous area first. It works really great on my outdoor seating, especially because a lot of those stains tend to be greasy and oily. Also, this works really well on your couches for some of those spot cleans. And I found this amazing trick on TikTok by this creator. I'll be sure to link her down below. She takes a pot lid. She sprays down some Pine-Sol and water, just a 50-50 mixture, and the lid kind of helps give her a bigger surface area so she can quickly wipe down her microfiber couch. I've been using this trick for those quick stains. We have a lot of them and absolutely love it. Can you leave this video a big thumbs up if it's helping you, because I want to bring you more content like this. Especially during these warm months, if you want a fresh smell, wipe down the inside of your trash can with a little bit of Pine-Sol. And here's a great hack. Go to the Dollar Tree and get the little felt bumper pads that you typically put underneath of your furniture. You can put a little bit of Pine-Sol on this and stick it right in your trash can for an instant fresh scent. Also, you're not gonna believe this. Do you know what else Pine-Sol is really great at cleaning? Your hairbrushes. You have got to try this trick just for the satisfaction of it. Clean out your hairbrush, put it in the sink, fill up your sink and just add a little splash of Pine-Sol, let it sit for a while. Oh my gosh, you will not believe what comes out. Just promise me you'll give it a try. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. It really helps in the algorithm and I read all of them. And this trick is one of my favorites. This is a hack that's actually on Pine-Sol's website that farmers discovered. Flies are everywhere, especially if you have horses, and Pine-Sol is a great detractor. I do a 50-50 mixed solution. I spray this right on my patio furniture outside, especially if we're grilling out to keep the flies away, and this works. And I thought of a great Dollar Tree trick. Grab one of these diffusers. I hate the scent of those from the Dollar Tree anyway. Put some Pine-Sol inside, an alternative way to detract flies. You are enough, more than enough. I'll catch you guys in the next video.